Section 1. The power of data. Fueling the information age. Data. It's the lifeblood of our modern world. From the websites we browse to the scientific discoveries that advance our understanding, data drives it all. But this data doesn't organize itself. It requires skilled individuals to collect, process, and transform it into meaningful information. That's where data entry and transcription jobs come in. These essential roles form the foundation of our data-driven society, ensuring accuracy and accessibility in every sector. Without these dedicated professionals, the vast sea of information we rely on would be a chaotic and unusable mess. Data entry specialists are the architects of organization, carefully inputting raw data into databases and spreadsheets. Transcriptionists, on the other hand, convert audio and video recordings into written text, making spoken content searchable and shareable. These seemingly simple tasks are crucial for businesses, researchers, and individuals alike. Accurate data entry ensures that businesses make informed decisions, researchers draw reliable conclusions, and individuals access the information they need. In an age where knowledge is power, data entry and transcription jobs are the unsung heroes empowering us all. This guide delves into the world of online data entry and transcription jobs, exploring the skills needed, the potential earnings, and the steps to launch a successful career in this ever-growing field. Whether you're seeking a flexible side hustle or a full-time career change, understanding the ins and outs of these essential roles can unlock a world of opportunity. Section 2. Diving into the data stream. Data entry and transcription explained. Data entry and transcription, while often grouped, encompass a variety of tasks. Understanding these nuances is vital when exploring career options. Data entry is the process of inputting data into computer systems. This could involve entering numerical figures into spreadsheets, updating customer information in databases, or categorizing products for e-commerce websites. Accuracy and speed are paramount in this field, as errors can have significant consequences. Transcription, on the other hand, focuses on converting audio or video recordings into written text. This could involve transcribing interviews for researchers, creating subtitles for videos, or generating meeting minutes for businesses. Attention to detail and strong language skills are essential for transcriptionists. Within these broad categories lie various specializations. Medical transcriptionists, for example, focus on transcribing medical records and reports, requiring knowledge of medical terminology. Legal transcriptionists specialize in transcribing legal proceedings, demanding a firm grasp of legal jargon. Understanding the specific requirements of each type of data entry and transcription job is crucial when choosing a path that aligns with your skills and interests. Section 3. Essential skills for data entry and transcription success. While data entry and transcription jobs may seem straightforward, they demand a specific set of skills to excel. These skills go beyond basic typing and computer literacy, encompassing both technical and soft skills. Technical skills are paramount. Mastery of typing speed and accuracy is non-negotiable, as these roles involve high volumes of data input. Proficiency in various software programs is also crucial, including spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, as well as word processing software like Microsoft Word. Familiarity with databases and data entry tools is a significant advantage. Soft skills, often overlooked, are equally vital. Attention to detail is paramount, as even minor errors can have significant consequences. Strong organizational and time management skills are essential for handling multiple tasks and meeting deadlines. Effective communication skills, both written and verbal, are crucial for interacting with clients and colleagues. Developing these skills is an ongoing process. Numerous online courses and resources offer training in typing, software proficiency, and data entry techniques. Cultivating soft skills, such as attention to detail and time management, requires consistent effort and self-awareness. Section 4. Navigating the job market, finding and securing your role. The rise of the gig economy has made finding online data entry and transcription jobs more accessible than ever. Numerous online platforms connect businesses and individuals seeking these services. Reputable freelance websites, specialized job boards, and even social media platforms offer a plethora of opportunities. When searching for online data entry and transcription jobs, it's crucial to be discerning. Thoroughly research potential clients or employers, paying close attention to reviews and ratings. Be wary of scams and unrealistic promises. Legitimate opportunities will clearly outline job requirements, payment terms, and project timelines. Creating a strong online presence is essential for attracting clients. Craft a compelling resume and cover letter highlighting your skills and experience. Build a portfolio showcasing your work samples. Networking with other professionals in the field can also lead to valuable connections and job leads. Securing your first few gigs may require patience and persistence. Bid competitively on projects, but don't undervalue your skills. Deliver high-quality work on time and maintain professional communication to build a strong reputation. Positive client feedback and testimonials will attract more clients and higher-paying projects over time.